Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Squirrel Pet ability in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The squirrel is one of the pets from the Fall Harvest event, and if you want to purchase it, you need 1 million maple leaves. And if you want to purchase the squirrel, just wait for it to spawn. Okay, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. So let me put this pet in my garden. Okay, I've already equipped this pet and I'm going to show you the ability. Okay, this is a legendary pet and it says scurries around your garden and rapidly picks ripe fruit and brings it straight to you. Oh, it can help you to harvest your fruits in your garden. I think it's not really it's not really necessary, guys. I think I don't need this pet in my garden, but if you have a lot of maple leaves or if you have been already rich in growing garden to fall harvest, you can try to purchase this pet if you want. But for me, I don't think I need this pet in my garden. Better if I purchase another pet which more worthy than this pet. Okay guys, and that's about the squirrel ability in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!